Good evening. I'm Chanel, Vehicle Title Expert. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, and I thank you in advance for subscribing. So tonight's segment is for all of my auto dealers out there. Please stay tuned to this important segment on tonight. If you miss my segment or my series rather for the title process that I made 2 weeks ago, please look on my channel and review that series. It would definitely give you some important insight if you are an auto dealer and you are submitting title work. So again, I want to share tonight, please auto dealers, stop holding up the title process. I'm coming to y'all with much love, but I got to keep it real. I got to be honest and transparent with you guys. When it comes to the title process, a lot of times, dealers, you guys are holding up the process. You are delaying, you're dragging out the title process, and in essence, it creates a negative experience for your customer because they're either running out of the temp tag that you have given them. They're frustrated, and the list goes on and on. So you don't want to, have that title process to get to that point where the customer is frustrated. So please do not delay or hold off with that title process going out longer than it should. Do not delay or hold up your title process. What do I mean by that? You may be asking me. So some of you dealers out there, you hold on to the process too long and unnecessarily. I do understand there are some things that's out of your control. Maybe the auction has a document that they are not giving to you guys right away. There's delays on their end. Maybe there's an issue going on with the lien holder, and it's a back and forth as well. I get it. But there are some things that you can do to, expedite the title process on your end. If you're not sure of the documents in question that you need, reach out to an agency such as mine. Or if you're dealing directly with the DMV, reach out to the DMV, for guidance as well. But because you do not know what's required for your title transaction, is not going to be a valid excuse for, holding on to that paperwork or overall delays with the title process. You don't want to just sit down on your deal. Me personally, I'm seeing deals that are taking, 60 days, if not longer, before they reach my agency. Okay, so you do not want to sit on the deal and then reach out and get a quote after you've had that deal for several weeks or several months. You want to get that quote. You want to ensure that you have all of what you need before that deal, hits the 30-day point. And I said 60 because that's like, an average time frame, but really even 30 days is too long. Me personally, I know I'm not a dealer, but that title work really should be, wrapped up within 7 days, if at all possible. One of the things that I'm seeing is that, once the process has been lengthy on the dealer's end or your end, then you guys reach out to the title agency and you're hoping somehow that your deal can be done overnight or in a very expeditious manner. And I'm going to be very frank and be very honest with you. A lot of times that is not a guarantee. Okay. So, help us to help you guys to create a positive experience for your customer. Because when you delay that title transaction, you're sitting on documents, you're not going over the process accurately with a title agency such as ours or the DMV, then, you will cause more delays, more confusion for you and your customer, and your process with the title transactions will take even longer than what you had anticipated. So get those deals over to us as quickly as possible. Send your information over so you can get quoted and get reviewed as quickly as possible as well. Because if your customer tags have expired, depending on the state that you're in, a lot of times you guys do not have that leeway to provide your customer with another set of temp tags. Okay, so then when it comes to that point, you can also find yourself in the hot seat with the dealer board, depending on your state. Okay, so dealers, please stop holding up the title process. If you're not sure of what you need for that customer in any given state, reach out to a title agency such as mine. If you have any questions about the title process, or if you have a particular deal that you're sitting on right now and you need further guidance, drop me a line below or visit us at wisdomandauthority.com. Please check me out on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Click, share, and subscribe. I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.